Make lunch for 8 daycare kids. We just came upstairs. I have a couple little ones playing with blocks and dinos. And everyone else is coloring. And I think you can, if you don't want to color, you can get down. I think we're going to listen to this human body card today on the Yodo. Making grilled cheese. Hey, give it back to her. We don't take toys away. Give it back, please. Thank you. There's enough dinos for everybody. What is it? Is it plant? Plant? Is the dino going to eat it? This butter is like most of the way softened, not quite all the way. Be nice, everybody. Just gonna heat buttering bread. I'm also quickly peeling all my boiled eggs. I made these this morning, but I had a dentist appointment, so I didn't have time to peel them. I just stuck them in the fridge.
I love doing that.
You want to go wash your hands and peel the boiled eggs for me? Fantastic. Okay, go wash your hands. Okay, guess I have a helper to do that. I'm also gonna get some tomato soup started. 2 cans. I actually have to serve a whole, or half a cup, I think, to count as a 1/4 a cup of vegetables. And so my older kids would need a whole cup of tomato soup, so I'm gonna give them mixed veggies for part of their vegetable. Thank you, Kova. I made a couple cans of milk. This is what I'm throwing in the oven, in the microwave, these mixed veggies.
Mom, I want you to make peas and noodles.
Peas and noodles, like chicken noodle soup?
No. I love chicken noodle soup.
I can do chicken noodle soup soon.
No.
You just want peas and noodles? Oh, like mac and cheese with tuna and peas? I knew one of my kids liked that. What does this say? 4.5 to 5.5 minutes. We're gonna do 5. I think today feels so chaotic because of my dentist appointment this morning. My husband subbed for me and I came back to a full house and I don't know, my whole morning felt off. I didn't even realize you can't see this. These ones cook a couple more minutes. Oranges in my fridge. That's gonna be our fruit today. The grilled cheese is in the oven. Hope I did a great job peeling these boiled eggs. I'm gonna lightly salt them. I'm gonna give everyone one. Tomato soup. I'm giving everyone half a grilled cheese to start, but they can have more. All right, here is the kiddos' lunches today. And here's what the kids ate. Almost everyone had more grilled cheese. They ate their boiled eggs really. Oh, okay. Clean up's gonna be fun for Rick today. And my little ones.